How to equip 7 accessory slots in Terraria. So first make sure that you are in a master mode world. So currently I am on the classic world. So that's why, as you can see, I only have 5 accessory slots. So let's create one first. So now I'm currently inside a master mode world. And once you create one, you will automatically get one extra accessory slot. So currently we have 6 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So to get the 7th slot, what you need to do is defeat the wall of flesh in the underworld. So let's do that. So here I'm just going to throw our guide voodoo doll, then spawn the wall of flesh just like this. So let's try to kill it like that. And as you can see, our world is now currently in hard mode. And what you need to do now is get the drops from the wall of flesh right here. Then just basically open it up by right clicking on it. Then you will get the demon heart. And as you can see, when you consume this, it will permanently increase the number of accessory slots. So let's try to consume it right here. And as you can see, we now have an extra accessory slot. And if we count it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 accessory slots just like that. And that is how you basically equip 7 accessories in Terraria.